after a pretty long time, we are going to talk about BlackBerry devices again, specifically BlackBerry OS 10 devices. So I have here BlackBerry Q10 and I did make a video pretty long ago about how you can bypass BlackBerry ID on this kind of devices where it is stuck on setup page. On that video, actually I demonstrate how you can do it, but for some reason that tutorial does not really work on few devices. Like on this device, this is not the same device. So I did try to bypass BlackBerry ID on this device, but it was saying that skip button is not available. So I did manage to fix the issue, and I do have another device here, which is BlackBerry Z10. So this is also running on BlackBerry OS 10, as you can see here. So nowadays there are few modified firmware available for all of this device, which you can flash on your device, and it will disable all sorts of BlackBerry ID issue. So you can get the firmware for BlackBerry Q10, Z10, BlackBerry Classic, BlackBerry Passport, Z30, and all the BlackBerry OS 10 devices. And I will give you the link in the description where you can download the firmware for your device. So if you are flashing the firmware on your BlackBerry Z10, so this is BlackBerry Z10. There are few version of this. So about device, as you can see here, this one is STL100-1. And if you flash the firmware, make sure you are flashing the exact same firmware for your device, because there are few other models of this device. But for Q10, there is only one firmware available, and if you flash that, you will not have any BlackBerry ID issue. As you can see here, there is no setup issue, like the notification of setuping the device. Now what you can do with a BlackBerry OS 10 device. So these devices are actually running on Android, specifically Android 4.3. So both of them running on 4.3, and both of them got 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of internal storage. So as you know, you can't really flash a custom ROM on this device, and there is no way you can do that. But if you really want to use one of these devices right now, there are few applications still available which are still working. So like for browser, I'm using VIA browser. Obviously, it does not really work that well, but it is actually much better than the built-in browser which we get with BlackBerry OS 10 devices. And for Facebook Lite is still working. Obviously, it takes pretty long to load, but still does work. And Instagram Lite does not really work that well. Sometimes it does not really open. So Instagram Lite not going to work. As far as games goes, if you download any games which target Android 4.1 to 4.3, those will work perfectly fine. So as you can see here, the Subway Surf, which I have downloaded, I have sideloaded them from the other device. So now as you can see here, this one is working pretty well. So you can still use them just to play older games and still pretty much usable. You can see here. By the way, this is a 4G device, but BlackBerry Z10 I have here is 3G device, but there is 4G variant of this device too. So as this is a 4G device, so the device is still working perfectly fine. I can make phone call and I can send messages with this beautiful keypads. So pretty good actually. But there are a few things which are not really good about this device. First of all, the battery backup is not really that good. And obviously, as this is a pretty old device, most of the application not going to work well. But if you are looking for a secondary device just for phone call, and if you are in Asian country, this is one of the best device you can get actually. And as you know, nowadays actually there is trend going on, like companies actually making devices with keypad like Clicks, and also maybe UniHertz, Titan. They are also building some devices with keypad. So this is actually kind of unique, and also this device is pretty actually comfortable device, pretty small and handy. And another thing is that you are also getting 3.5mm headphone jack with all the devices of BlackBerry OS 10. So you can still use them to listen music. So usually if I am carrying one of these devices, I just listen to music. Otherwise, I don't really use them for anything else, just for listening music. And actually a pretty good device if you really want to listen music with this device. Otherwise, you can't really do much with any of this device. This is kind of a nostalgic thing right now. If you are getting one of these, mostly people are buying these things actually to take a break from the social media and other application, as this device can't really run those applications. So these are actually pretty good if you are trying to spend some time out of social media. So this will get the job done, but otherwise these are not really that much useful. Anyway, as I said, if you are stuck on homepage, I will put the ROM link in the description below where you can get the firmware and you can flash the firmware on your device. Flashing firmware is pretty easy on BlackBerry devices. You just need to connect the device with PC and you have to run the firmware file and it will automatically do the all sorts of things. So pretty easy. And that's all about today's video actually. So I wanted to give you the information about how you can skip the BlackBerry ID issue because my previous tutorial is not working that well. So you can follow this tutorial now. So it will definitely work. So that's all about today's video. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in the next one.